Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will discuss this problem in which we would be given input a sentence and we want to find out the number of digits and spaces that are present in that particular sentence. Okay. So for example, if I give you hello space 5 space world, so we have one digit and we have two spaces. Okay. And maybe we can also find out the number of alphabets. Okay. So maybe let's count the number of alphabets, digits and spaces in the sentence. So we have 10 alphabets. If it is 51, then we have two digits and we also have two spaces. Okay. So let's see how we can solve this problem, and we will start terminate the input when we see a new line character in the. So let's see how we can code this one up. So first of all, I will write a main program and we can say, okay, one thing we can do is we can store and then count, or we can read one by one and then count. Okay, so since this problem does not require us to store the input, so we will read one by one and then we will do the counting. Okay, so for that, reading one by one, we can use the function scene.get. So I have a character and initially let's say ch equals to scene.get, and we can put our reading loop. So while ch is not equal to \n, we can keep on reading characters from the input buffer. Okay, so we can say ch equals scene.get. So first character we read from here and the remaining characters we read from here. So now we need to keep three variables. One for alphabets, I can say alpha, that is 0, space, that is 0, and digit, that is 0. So these three variables denote the count of alphabet, space and digits. What we will do, we now have the current character in this variable ch, and we can check if ch is greater than equal to 0. So this 0 is not an integer, this is a character, and ch is less than equal to 9. So if the character lies between these values, so they also have some ASCII value, let's say this is 40 or this is 49, I don't remember exactly, but I'm just telling you. So these operators are going to work like arithmetic operators. Okay, so we can actually make these comparisons. That was the whole idea why I'm taking up this question. So just to inform you that you can do comparisons like these. Okay, these are allowed. So if this is the case, then that means the current character represents a digit. So I can say digit plus plus, and else if I can check if character lies between small a and ch lies between small z. Okay, or character lies between capital A and character lies between capital Z. Okay, so if it lies in the range capital A to Z, or it lies in the range small a to z, then also it is a alphabet. Then it is a alphabet. So I can say alpha plus plus. Okay, otherwise I can say if it is a space. Okay, let's not do else, but let's do else if character is a space or character is a tab. Okay, this is also another kind of a space. I can call space plus plus. Okay, that's it. And finally, after this loop, we can say cout total alphabets are alpha and L. Then we can say similar thing, total digits and total. This is digit and this is space. All right, and we are done. So now we can run this code and see the output. So we can say dot slash count. Now let's say hello 51 and world. So total alphabets 10, total digits 2 and total space 2, which is fine. and maybe I say hello 5, hi 5, and bye bye. So we have total alphabets as 11. So this exclamatory is not counted. We have 4 plus 2 6 plus 5 11, because it does not lie in the range A to Z. We have 11 alphabets, we have 2 digits 5 and 5, and we have 2 spaces. So yes, this is working perfectly as expected. That's all for this lecture. Thank you. Bye bye.